Hey guys, I hope you are having a fantastic Memorial Day weekend. We are having a surprisingly cold and wet and windy Memorial Day weekend so far. The Madison Street Music Festival, which we did a lot of work for, got canceled this weekend, unfortunately. Although I think they had some insurance and all's good and it's gonna get rescheduled and all that. Did a lot of videos this week with the intentions of posting more videos, and I never did. So here's just a random look at some other projects that we got done this week. That's an awkward video. There's a new sheriff in town. We whipped up these menus for a friend of mine that has a restaurant down the street. So she is open right now and she's desperate for them. So I'm gonna go walk them down to her real quick. Cool new tumbler design for the festival that we upselled them on. Easily our biggest banner ever. Y'all want to see what a $230 part looks like to fix my flatbed? This plastic air hose, $230. I mean, yeah, there's an quote unquote air filter in there, those little discs. But come on, really? $230 for this? It's ridiculous. Thanks for watching my footage for the stuff that we did this week. The board right here might be going away. Maybe on a trial run. We have so many more employees here now, and in just an effort to keep everybody on the same page, we're making some changes to it. We'll see if it works. If not, I'm going right back to it. But in the meantime, I'm bringing a lot of paperwork home with me, and I've taken pictures of everything on the board and getting everything together, but that is for another video. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I will see you in the next one. Take care.